Did you know that your body has an incredible ability to repair itself, especially when given the right tools? Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: nerve damage and how certain vitamins can play a vital role in the repair process. Whether you're dealing with nerve damage due to an injury, illness, or a condition like diabetes, understanding the role of vitamins in nerve health could be a game changer. So, if you or someone you care about is struggling with nerve pain or damage, stick around. This video is packed with valuable information that could help improve your quality of life. 1. Understanding nerve damage. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is nerve damage, and how does it happen? Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, occurs when nerves are injured or impaired. This can lead to symptoms like pain, tingling, numbness, and even loss of muscle control. The causes can vary widely, from physical injuries to chronic conditions like diabetes, infections, and even certain medications. But here's the good news: while nerve damage can be challenging, your body has the potential to heal, especially when supported with the right nutrients. Vitamins, in particular, are crucial for maintaining healthy nerve function and promoting repair. However, not all vitamins are created equal in this regard. Today, we'll explore 10 incredible vitamins and nutrients that could help you or your loved ones improve nerve health. 2. The power of B vitamins. Let's jump into the first group of vitamins that are essential for nerve health: B vitamins. These are often the unsung heroes in the world of nerve repair. Vitamin B1, thiamine. First up is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This vitamin is a powerhouse when it comes to nerve function. Thiamine plays a critical role in converting carbohydrates into energy, which nerves need to function properly. Without enough thiamine, your nerves can't get the energy they need, leading to problems like nerve pain and weakness. Thiamine is found in foods like whole grains, nuts, and legumes. But here's a tip: if you're dealing with nerve damage, you might need more thiamine than what's available through diet alone. In some cases, a supplement might be necessary, but always consult your healthcare provider first. Vitamin B6. Next, we have vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for the formation of neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that allow nerves to communicate with each other. Low levels of B6 can lead to nerve pain, especially in people with conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome or diabetic neuropathy. You can find vitamin B6 in a variety of foods, including poultry, fish, potatoes, and bananas. But just like with thiamine, if you're dealing with nerve issues, a supplement might be beneficial. Vitamin B12. Now, let's talk about vitamin B12, one of the most crucial vitamins for nerve health. B12 is vital for maintaining healthy nerve cells and producing myelin, a protective sheath that surrounds and insulates nerves. Without enough B12, nerves can become damaged, leading to symptoms like tingling, numbness, and even memory problems. You can boost your B12 levels by consuming foods like meat, dairy products, and fortified cereals. However, if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, you might be at risk for B12 deficiency and should consider a supplement. 3. Antioxidants and nerve health. Moving on, let's discuss how antioxidants play a role in protecting and repairing nerves. Oxidative stress, which occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, can contribute to nerve damage. The following vitamins act as antioxidants, helping to neutralize free radicals and protect nerve systems. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your nerves from damage by combating oxidative stress. It also improves blood flow to the nervous system, which is essential for nerve repair and recovery. You can find vitamin E in nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your nerve health. Alpha-lipoic acid. Though not technically a vitamin, alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, deserves a spot on our list. ALA works like an antioxidant and has been shown to reduce nerve pain, particularly in people with diabetic neuropathy. It helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and may even improve nerve function over time. You can get alpha-lipoic acid from foods like spinach and broccoli, or take it as a supplement. N-acetylcysteine, NAC. Another powerful antioxidant is N-acetylcysteine, or NAC. Like ALA, NAC isn't a vitamin but is crucial for nerve health. It helps combat oxidative stress and is often used in clinical settings to support nerve recovery. NAC is available as a supplement, and if you're dealing with nerve damage, it's worth discussing with your healthcare provider. 4. Additional nutrients for nerve repair beyond B vitamins and antioxidants. Other nutrients play a crucial role in nerve health. Vitamin D. Research suggests that vitamin D deficiency may be linked to nerve pain and damage. This vitamin is essential for overall nerve health and can help reduce inflammation, a common contributor to nerve pain. Your body naturally produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, but it can also be found in fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods. If you live in a place with limited sun exposure, consider getting your vitamin D levels checked and discuss supplementation with your healthcare provider. Folic acid. Folic acid is another important nutrient for nerve health. It's crucial for overall cellular health and can help protect nerve cells from damage. Folic acid is found in a variety of foods, including leafy greens, beans, and fortified grains. Like the other nutrients we've discussed, if you're dealing with nerve damage, you might benefit from a supplement in addition to a healthy diet. Vitamin C. Let's not forget about vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and helps repair damaged tissues, including nerves. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin and muscles, driven by the framework that helps protect and repair nerves. You can easily get vitamin C from citrus fruits, tomatoes, and bell peppers. A diet rich in these foods can support your overall nerve health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Finally, let's discuss omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in nerve health, even though they're not vitamins. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, promote the repair of nerve cells, and can even help protect against nerve damage in the first place. You can get omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as from plant-based sources like flax seeds and walnuts. Now that we've explored these incredible vitamins and nutrients, how can you incorporate them into your daily life to support nerve repair? First and foremost, focus on maintaining a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods. This ensures that you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients that work together to promote nerve health. However, if you're dealing with nerve damage, diet alone might not be enough. In such cases, targeted supplements, as recommended by your healthcare provider, can play a crucial role in your recovery process. Remember, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. In summary, while nerve damage can be challenging, there are steps you can take to financially support your body's natural healing process. Incorporating these vitamins and nutrients into your diet and considering supplements when necessary can make a real difference. A quick recap of the 10 incredible vitamins and nutrients that can help with nerve repair and recovery. Vitamin B1, thiamine, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin E, alpha-lipoic acid, N-acetylcysteine, NAC, vitamin D, folic acid, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids. Each of these plays a unique role in promoting nerve health, and together, they can provide powerful support for your nervous system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or tips regarding nerve health. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and information. Thanks for watching, and take care of your nerves.